Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to unbox this iPhone 15 Plus. The iPhone 16 is very close now, so we bought this iPhone 15 Plus because it's on sale. So this is 128 gig 15 Plus for 4,200 ringgit. So it's on 700 ringgit discount now. But I guess that's because the later iPhone is going to be released in October really soon. So I think this is a good buy. Although this is the lowest spec at the moment. I mean the lowest storage, the 128 gig one. So it's already costing 4,200. But it has a pink color which is very nice, and I'll show it to you later. And this is the box itself. As you can see, all these logos are all in pink color. And let's see what it says behind. It says made in India. iPhone 15 Plus pink 128 gig. Designed by California. So without further ado, let's unbox it. As you can see, this is very thin, and all this iPhone no longer comes with their charger. And this is the pink color itself. As you can see, it looks really nice, but we'll set this apart for now. And what you get is the USB Type-C to Type-C normal adapter, and which is good because all the 15 phones onwards all uses Type-C instead of Lightning. And then you have these booklets inside, the pinned, and some manuals in multi languages, and you also get some stickers, the Apple stickers. Okay, let's set that aside and let's go to the phone, because yeah, maybe just one more thing is to highlight is as you can see, these cables are braided now, so I think this will last better than the last generation's cables that were not braided, because those were notoriously easy to break down, especially at the tip here. And I guess Apple has already received the feedback and changed the design, which is good to know. And those cables are very expensive to buy the original ones. And this is the phone itself. Maybe just peel this off quickly. As you can see, it's actually quite light and feels good in the hand. It's all rounded in all four corners. It doesn't feel sharp on the edges when you hold it. As you can see, they do a bit of a finishing on all these sides, and yeah, it's pretty thin. Does feel very premium, and if I understand correctly, this is an aluminum unibody. It's not titanium like the 15 Pro Max yet, but it still feels very nice, and the weight isn't very heavy. And you have this silent toggle switch, and the haptic feedback is very unique to Apple's. Feels good. Although I think I prefer slider, but yeah, this feels good also. And this volume button, so two buttons here, and then the silent toggle here, your sync up tray here, and then only one button on the right side, which is the big power button. And you have two cameras here. The bump is not so big. I believe one is the main camera, the other would be the ultra wide lens. You have the LED light here. This is supposed to, yeah, this is the mic here. And you have the Apple logo here, and this all glass back. Feels good. Very faint Apple logo. And as you can see, I think this is the fake cutout of the speaker, but I do think this mic, it could be mic, correct me if I'm wrong. And this is the loudspeaker, and USB Type-C here. The antenna bending you have here and here, and here and here and here. So that's like 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Feels good in the hand. And this is the display itself, and as you can see, this is the, what do they call it, the dynamic island. Yeah, maybe just turn off the flash. Can I? Yep. So this is the iPhone itself. The display looks pretty nice. Everything is smooth as because it is sporting, I think, Air 16 Bionic chip from the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and the difference between the Air 16 and Air 17 in terms of performance isn't that huge, at least the compute power. So yeah, this feels nice in the hand. Everything looks smooth. I haven't set it up to, obviously. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you find it useful. And I'll catch you guys next time. And this has been a very brief unboxing of the pink iPhone 15 Plus. Bye bye.